You're watching ACT 720, a video series committed to working quick video explanations of common ACT mathematics problems. Visit my website if you want to work more problems. Let's do this. Let's get better together. Welcome back to ACT 720. We've got a surface area problem talking about the surface area of a house. And then they tell us that 1 can of paint covers this much square footage of paint on the house. So how many cans do we need? Not for 1 coat, but for 2 coats on the given house. Well, the first thing we need to figure out is well, how many cans does it take to do 1 coat? So we take our 2,600 feet squared, that's the surface area of the home, divided by 365 feet squared. That's what 1 can of paint will cover. We divide that out and we get 7.1 cans. Now, the 7.1 cans, you've got to open the 8th can to start the first coat. That's important. You got 1 can, 2 cans, 3 cans, 4 cans, 5 cans, 6 cans, 7 cans. You got a little bit more. You got to open that 8th can to start. Now, would you go ahead and round up to 8 and then double and get 16? I think that's what the ACT may be wanting you to do. But I propose we need to take the 7.1 times twice. Why twice? 2 coats on the given house, and we get 14.2. Now, you can't have 0.2. You got to buy 14 cans plus the 15th can, and you'll have a little bit left over. But it's 14.2 to cover exactly. But we've got to purchase 15 cans of paint, choice D, to paint our house with 2 coats of paint. Surface area problem, it's important to understand 7.1 for 1 coat, 14.2 for 2 coats, but I've got to buy 15 cans for my 2 coats of paint. If we get this one on the ACT, let's get it correct.